Hi everyone, so this is the bag we'll be working on today. Very beautiful and pretty beaded bag. This daisy flower beaded bag. I'm going to teach you step by step how to make one. It's so pretty and beautiful. Stay tuned. So here I have on my table 10mm plastic bead in purple color. So before I continue, I have exciting news for all of you. I'm working on this project and I want you guys to share with friends and family that I'll be selling bead bags on my official website all year round. So when the website is ready, I'm going to make an announcement and let you know. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I know you support me through this one too. Thank you so much. Now let's continue. So today I'll be using a 10mm plastic round bead in purple color, or you can use 8mm bead or 6mm. You are free to use any size of bead to make this beautiful bag, okay? Don't worry, this is the size I'm using today, but if you have 8mm, you can use it. Look at this beautiful daisy flower I make in the middle. Very pretty. It makes the bag look so beautiful with the flowers in it. And I'll be teaching you how to create one, okay? Very pretty. This is purple color. You can use any kinds of color that you like to make it, okay? So we are going to create the exact same thing, okay? Using this bead over here, this loose bead over here. You are going to create the exact same thing. I'm going to show you step by step. And this is the daisy we are going to use in the middle. This is what we are going to use for the flower daisy in the middle, okay? So let me put this aside and let's get started. Here is my fishing line. That is 50-pound fishing line. If you have 6 or 7mm line, it's also beautiful, okay? The monofilament 6 or 7mm is perfect. So I'm using 50-pound monofilament here. So I'll be using the white for the daisy flower, and here is my line, my fishing line that I cut. This is my wingspan, and I'm going to string the white bead on the line, okay? This is 6 and this is the middle part, okay? I'm going to string all these 6 beads on the line like this. So this is the 6 bead I string on the line. You to string yours, and let's start together, okay? So I hold the last bead and I cross my right line into it, hold the lines together and pull the bead down, okay, like this. Just do it exactly as I did, okay? So now I'm putting my lines back together again like this, and I'm going to put this pink bead on the line. I pull the line through the pink bead, all right, like this. Pull down, hold it on top of this middle bead. I'm going to drop it in the middle like this. You see this 3 middle bead? That's what we are working. I'm going to cross my line into the top one, okay? Now I open my line back again. I'm holding the right line cross to the left, and the left line, this one, cross to the right, okay? Cross it in the top bead to the right like this. And now your lines are together, and this is how the flower daisy look like. Very beautiful. And we are going to go ahead and build on this flower, okay? Now on my left line, okay, this is my left line, I'm going to add 5 bead. This 5 bead I'm going to string on my left line like this. String all these 5 bead on the line, hold the last one and cross the right line into it and pull down like this. So my right line, this right line, I'm going to go into the next bead, this one. Pull through the next bead. And on my left line, this line, I'm adding 4 bead to it. Okay, add this 4 bead on the line. Hold the last one and cross the right line into it and pull down. Now my right line again into the next bead, this one. Go through the next bead. On the left line, I'm adding 4 bead to the left line. Cross with the right line and pull. My right into the next bead. Pulling the right line into the next bead. And on my left line, I add 4 bead. Cross and pull down into the next. I'm pulling through the next bead. All right, I add 4 beads to my left line. I hold the last bead and cross with my right line and pull down. Okay, now my right line into the last white bead and this one. Go through the last bead and this purple bead on the side. So now on my left line, I add 3 beads to my left line to complete this step. Okay, 3 beads, hold the last one, cross with the right line and pull down. And now we complete this step. We are going to continue my right line into the next bead. Pull through the next bead. The lines are in 2 beads. Okay, now my left line, I add 4 beads. Hold the last one, cross with the right line and pull. My right into the next bead. I add 4 beads to the left line, hold the last bead, cross with the right line and pull. Now my right line again into the next 2 beads. Pull through the next 2 beads. I add 3 beads to my left line, cross with the right line and pull. My right into the next bead. Okay, pull through the next bead. On my left line, I add 4 beads to my left line, cross with the right line and pull down. My right into the next 2 beads. Alright. Then on my left line, you see my line is in 3 beads. I add 3 beads again to my left line. I cross with my right line and pull. Now my right line again into the next bead, my right into the next bead. I'm pulling through the next bead. All right. Now I add 4 beads to my left line, cross and pull down. Again, my right line into the next 2 beads. I pull through 2 beads. All right. I add 3 beads to my left line, cross with the right line and pull. My right into the next bead. Pull through 1 bead. Add 4 beads to the left line, cross with the right line and pull. I'm going to go through 2 beads. Okay, I'm pulling my right line through 2 beads. 2 beads. Then I add 3 beads to my left line, cross with the right line and pull down. My right line again, I'm going to pull through the next bead, this line into the next bead. That's my right line. I'm pulling through the next bead. Add 4 beads to the left line, cross with the right line and pull down. My right line into the next 2 beads. Okay, pull through 2 beads. Is the first one. Go to the second one. Now my line is in 3 beads. Okay, 3 beads like this. I add 3 beads to my left line, cross and pull. Now my right line. Okay, my right line again, this one into the next 2 beads. Pull through the next 2 beads like this. My line is in 3 beads. I'm going to add, you see my line is here in this 3 beads. So I'm adding 3 beads to my left line. Then I cross and pull. You see, we complete the shape. So over here I tie at the end and I'm weaving the rest of the line into the bead. Make sure it's well secured enough before I trim it off. Okay, this looks very beautiful. It's a very beautiful flower. For this line, I'll just trim the lines off. And here is the first one we made, and we make the exact same shape of the first one. And here's another one. I use pink in the middle and white for the flower. Okay, you can decide to, this one is white. Okay, you can decide to mix colors and make it pretty. Look at the white, look at the pink. Very beautiful. Look at them. And now I made a whole bunch of them. Okay, I make white too. This is white. I use white as the outer layer, and the flower is purple. Very beautiful. And now I'm going to put this together and then we can have a bag. Okay, these are the pieces of puzzle you have to make and put together to make a bag, and this is how we will arrange them. Okay, and now I have 3 purple down. This is how I'm going to arrange it. I'm going to arrange it this way, like this. Okay, all sides together, and now I'm going to use the white one in the middle. This one I'm going to use in the middle. You see the corners like this, make sure it fit into this corner like this. Okay, and now this is the second one I'm going to fit over here. It's the pieces of puzzle you have to put together. Okay, so here I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to fit this in the middle. Okay, like this, and we have it like this. And now we are going to join all these pieces together to make one mat. Come over and let me show you how to put these puzzle pieces together.